12-volt, 24-volt, fully intelligent pulse repair charger. Use touch keys. Touch the button lightly and emit a drip at the same time. Make switching on carton more sensitive. High-performance silent fan. Charger works continuously without heating. Safety of use of full package crocodile clamp. Repair function. High and low frequency pulse repair technology. Activate your battery to its fullest extent. Charging function of winter, summer mode. Charger automatic identification of outdoor temperature. Give you the right voltage for your battery according to the season. Winter is plentiful. Summer is not plentiful. Supporting multiple charging modes. Free switching AGM or GL. Motorcycle car charging mode. The battery can be switched freely without injury. Intelligent digital display. It can display current, temperature, voltage and quantity of electricity. Battery charging status can be checked at any time. Simple operation, full power cutoff, multiple protection, let you use at ease. Wide range of adaptations. Can be used as motorcycles, cars, trucks, engineering vehicles, startup and blackout batteries and use of various lead-acid batteries.